20 isikhathi ku 07 30 emahhovisi nabo ke igama lakhe ke umsola ke uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Kosenkantolo akaze ngibone Raphathi kuseni.
My lord, I did not see Raphathi in the morning or that morning.
Manje khona pengezwanga khona sentela uNtola uthi ngafika ama office nabo.
There's a place where I did not understand, my lord. Did you say I went to their offices?
Yes, at the cluster office, which he said it's Moroka Police Station.
Yeah, we office nabo ke lapho ke eMoroka Police Station.
Okay, kuthi benge ngeza kuqaleni ukuthiwa wacalelwa ioffice bengamanje mase kuthiwa futhi ioffice lakhe manje yabo that's why ngiphazamiseka nje.
What is confusing me, my lord, is because initially I was informed that they had to get or arrange an office for him. Now when they come, they say it was his office. That is where the confusion is.
Yes, no, he did testify that they arranged an office for him, as he was not attached to Moroka Police Station.
Yebo ke uye wathula ufakazi wathi uye wacelelwa ioffice ngoba yena ke ubengasebenzi lapha eMoroka Police Station.
Kodwa inkulumo oqede uNtolokela yona sithi ema office abo.
But the first interpretation that I got, it said in their offices.
No, at cluster office.
Kulama office la abasebenzela kuwona la we class.
We'll give you a copy of Exhibit HA. It says at 07:30 on the 19th of June 2020 at cluster office. Then it gives the full name and surname of suspect Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Yeah, yakhombisa date ke mhla ka 19 June ngo 2020 ema office la abasebenzisayo ke yabhala ukuthi ke umsola ke uyena uBongani Sandiso Ntanzi. Sandiso Ntanzi.
Yebo ngiyakubona.
I can see that.
Angithi vele ID yami wayayiphethe mase sidibene naye. So kulula ukuthi ngabhala igama lami.
And since my ID was already with him when we met, so it's easy for him to be able to write my names.
But Lieutenant Colonel Raphathi indicates that at 07:30 on the 19th of June 2020, you appeared before him.
Uthi ke uColonel Raphathi ke isikhathi ku 07:30 wena ke wavela phambi kwakhe mhla ka 19 June ngo 2020.
Kosenkantolo akulona iqiniso la.
My lord, that is not correct.
Ubaba lo ngene lapha ecourt ngiqala ukumbonana esibhedlela eBalagwana lapha simthathe khona.
Okay. This man that came to appear before the court, my lord, the first time that I saw him was when we picked him at Baragwana. Utumbone esikhatsini lapha ebar lapha khathini nimthatha khona lokho esikhatsini.
Kosenkantolo ngifuna uqamba manje isikhathi ngangenalo iwash kosenkantolo kodwa into mhlambe mangaveza imoto ukuthi ifike nini eBaragwana basimlandile.
My lord, I'm sorry, I did not have a watch on that particular day. I didn't see the time. However, if the AVL can maybe show what time the motor vehicle was at that spot in Baragwana.
After sunset, did the sun set?
Bese kuhlwile
In the afternoon,
noma bekuntambama nje
or was it in the morning?
noma bekusekuseni.
Because you say you were seated, what? You seated then the Toyota,
The fortunate.
the Fortuner, you said there for 4 hours plus and 10, 15, 20 minutes in the morning.
Uye wathi ke ekseni ke ngalosuku lolo ke ubuhlezi lapha ku Fortuna ke mhlamba amahora angadlula u4 hours 30 minutes.
Cha kosenkantolo nangikhuluma ngithi amahola emangaki. Mina ngithe ngangihlele emotweni baseseBaragwana ngaze ngimeshini amahola kosenkantolo.
My lords, I did not mention the hours, but when we at Baragwana, I just said I was seated inside the car when we at Baragwana.
Kodwa kama lesikhathi kosenkantolo masifika eBaragwana ngase ngibuye ecourt le Phosphorus ababedwanisa khona ecourt. Kwawusekusemini nje.
But when I got to Baragwana, my lord, it was after I appeared at the Phosphorus court. It was just midday.
Midday.
Yes, my lord.
Kwasekusemini nje ilanga ukuthi vele ilanga liyashesha ukushona kosenkantolo akusuke kusebusika.
But since the sun sets early and it's winter, my lord,
Now, are you saying that Lieutenant Colonel Rapaju, in this document, wherein he states that at 07:30 on the 19th of June 2020, you appeared before him? Are you saying that this is false?
uthi ke lokho akusiqiniso lapha ke lapha umuntu Raphael ubhale ukuthi ke ngalosuku lolu ke 19 sika June 2020 isikhathi ke ku 07:30 uthi Raphael ke ngasikhathi lesi ngalosuku lolu yena wavela phambi kwakhe uthi lokho akusho lokho akusona iqiniso.
Angizange ngiphikise idate mina ngiphikise isikhathi ukuthi azange ngimbone ekuseni.
I did not dispute the date, my lord, but only disputing the time that I saw him in the morning.
Ngithi mina phambi kwekhoti ngimbone ubaba uRaphathi mangibuya kuphi ekhoti eFosola simthathe esibhedlela eBarakwane.
I said before the court, I saw him after my appearance at Foslora's court when we picked him at Baragwana.
Yes, the question was, he has written here that he saw you at 07:30 on the 19th of June 2020. Are you saying that this is false?
Ubhale la uRaphathi wathi ke yena ukubone ngo07:30 usuku ku19 zaka June 2020 uthi umbuso manje uthi lokho akubhali ireport akusilona iqiniso.
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
It's not correct.
Ngoba mangikhumbula kahle nendaba yaseBarakwane ivezwe yimi ukuthi uRaphathi amphethe eBarakwane umkhani wayephika ukuthi sile eBarakwane mina na.
Because if my recollection serves me well, my lord, I am the one who even raised the issue of us collecting Raphael at Baragwana, but Mukhane was actually hiding that issue or that fact, my lord.
Now, Constable Jonathan testified that he took you into the office that was allocated to Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu at Moroka Police Station. Is he also telling an truth?
Manje uColonel Jonathan uthi ke uye wakuthatha ke wakwisa kule office leli ebese lilungiselele yena uRaphathi uthi nalapho ke akakhuluma iqiniso.
Akulona iqiniso lelo.
Yes, that is not correct.
And Sergeant Mukhane also testified that Constable Jonathan took you to the office that was assigned to Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu. Is he also telling an truth?
Ngoba naye uMukhane futhi ukhuluma na lenkulumo lo ukuthi ke uJonathan uye wakuthatha wakwisa kule office leli ke elalungisela uRaphathi naye akakhuluma kuloko.
Akulona iqiniso.
That's not correct, my lord.
Siyokwenzani pho eBarakwane mawuthi uRaphathi ngimbolile ekseni. Why siyomlanda futhi?
It's not correct because what exactly were we doing at Baragwana if indeed we saw Raphael in the morning?
So you're saying three people, Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu, Constable Jonathan, and Sergeant Mukhane are telling an truth when they say you were taken to the office of Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu.
Manje ke uthi labantu abathathu uRaphathi Colonel Jonathan no Sergeant Mukhane ke uma bethi la inkantolo ke wena wathathwa wayiswa kulela office elalingisela ke uRaphathi ke abakhuluma iqiniso.
Ngithi akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
I'm saying it's not the truth.
Ngithi mina mabethi bona ngimbonile ekseni so ntambama ufunani futhi mase ngiphinda ngimbona ntambama mabethi bona ngimbonile ke ekseni.
If they are alleging that we saw him in the morning, so what does he want in the evening since I saw him in the morning?
The state version is that your version that Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu was picked up at Chris Ani Baragwana Hospital is untrue.
Uthi kombuso ke inkulumo yakho lo ibekayo la inkantolo ukuthi ke uColonel Raphathi ke namthatha noma namlanda ke eBaragwana Hospital akusilona iqiniso lokho.
Nkosi enkantolo iqiniso la.
Is the truth, my lord.
Sasiyokwenzani pho esibhedlela ngoba ngangaguli.
So what was the reason for us to go to the hospital since I was not sick?
Sisuka esibhedlela eBarakwane siphinda siye Soweto yini esiyoyenza.
We moved from the Baragwana Hospital and then we proceed to Soweto. For what exactly? To do what?
Is a good piece now. Can we take the normal shot again?